Have you ever met someone who naturally draws attention? Someone whose presence commands respect and admiration without them even trying? This power is called charisma. The good news? Charisma is not an inborn gift. It's a skill, a set of behaviors and attitudes that anyone, including you, can develop. In this guide, we'll break down the psychology of charisma and show you how to become someone people are naturally drawn to. Number 1. What is charisma? Before we dive into how to develop charisma, we need to understand what it is. Charisma is not just about being attractive or eloquent. It's an energy, a mindset, and a way of connecting with others. Psychologists define charisma as a combination of confidence, expressiveness, and emotional intelligence. Charismatic people radiate confidence and ease, express their ideas clearly and persuasively, make others feel important and understood. The secret: charisma is all about how you interact with people. The stronger your connection with others, the more charismatic you become. Number 2. The key elements of charisma. 1. Self-confidence, the foundation of charisma. Charisma starts with strong self-confidence. Why? Because we are naturally drawn to people who appear comfortable with themselves. If you doubt yourself, others will sense it, and it will be harder to connect with them. How to build self-confidence: improve your posture. Stand tall, open your chest, and avoid nervous gestures. Your body language influences both your mindset and how others perceive you. Maintain eye contact. Looking people in the eye builds trust and shows that you are fully engaged. Accept yourself completely. Authenticity is key. The more you embrace who you are, the more confident you'll appear. Key takeaway: people mirror how you see yourself. If you believe in yourself, they will too. 2. Magnetic communication, capturing attention. Confidence is important, but knowing how to communicate effectively is just as crucial. Charismatic people don't just talk, they engage, inspire, and connect. Techniques for charismatic communication. The power of pauses. Great speakers don't rush their words. They pause strategically to add weight to their message and hold attention. Storytelling people remember stories, not just facts. Use personal anecdotes and vivid examples to make your points more engaging. Expressiveness. Your tone of voice, facial expressions, and gestures should enhance your message. A monotonous speaker is forgettable, but an expressive one is captivating. Example: imagine two people telling the same story. One speaks in a dull, flat tone with little emotion. The other varies their voice, gestures naturally, and shows enthusiasm. Who will hold your attention? 3. Active listening, the secret to connection. Surprisingly, charisma isn't just about talking, it's about listening. Why? Because people love to feel heard and understood. A charismatic person makes others feel valued and important. How to practice active listening: ask open-ended questions. Instead of "Did you have a good day?" try "What was the highlight of your day?" Be fully present. Don't check your phone or plan your response while the other person is talking. Give them your full attention. Show you're listening. Nod. Make small verbal acknowledgements. "That makes sense, I see," and repeat key points back to them. Key takeaway: people remember how you made them feel. If you make them feel important, they'll be drawn to you. 4. Energy and emotional presence, the contagious effect. Charisma is not just about what you say, it's about the energy you bring. We are naturally drawn to people who radiate confidence and positive energy. How to cultivate a charismatic energy? Take care of your inner state. Your energy is influenced by sleep, diet, exercise, and emotional well-being. Take care of yourself to project a strong presence. Be enthusiastic. Enthusiasm is contagious. Speak with passion and express genuine excitement. Manage stress effectively. Charismatic leaders remain calm under pressure. Practice deep breathing and stress management techniques to maintain a composed, magnetic presence. Example: imagine you enter a room and see two people. One is smiling, speaking with energy, and seems genuinely happy. The other looks tired, uninterested, and complains about everything. Who would you naturally gravitate toward? Number 3. Mistakes that kill charisma. Even if you follow all the tips above, some behaviors can destroy your charisma. Avoid these mistakes. Talking only about yourself. Ask questions and show interest in others. Trying too hard to impress. Authenticity is more attractive than arrogance. Being negative or complaining constantly. People avoid energy-draining individuals, ignoring body language. Closed or nervous body language sends the wrong signals. Charisma is not a mystery, it's a skill anyone can develop. Key takeaways: build self-confidence and embrace who you are. Master engaging and expressive communication. Be an active listener and show genuine interest in others. Cultivate a positive, contagious energy. Start applying these principles today, and you'll quickly notice a shift in how people respond to you. The world belongs to those who can captivate and inspire. Now, you have the tools to do just that.